If you've started creating assignments in Google Classroom within the last week or so, you may have recognized a new feature that says Create Rubric. When you go to create an assignment, give it a title. This will turn blue to allow you to create a rubric. It's fairly simple. You type in whatever the criterion may be. Set your different levels by clicking the pluses. 2, 1. Let's see, let's go with meets, growing, and not meeting. Whatever you want to call them, whatever matches our grade book. You can add descriptions for each of those, and these descriptions will be available for students to see. Clicking on these options allows you to delete these levels in case you didn't want them there. And you can also duplicate this in case you have similar levels, similar descriptions, and you just want to change the descriptions perhaps. You can also add new criterion. So let's say spelling is my next one. Add my 3 different levels, provide the points, and so on. And then when I'm done, I save. So what this looks like for an assignment, let's go ahead and discard this practice one and go to this test assignment. As a student, they would also see the access to the rubric immediately as they open up their assignment. I'm going to go into my grading, open up Emily's here. And as a teacher, I'll be able to use a rubric as I am grading whatever docs or Google Slides or spreadsheets assignments might exist there as well. So you see over here we have files. So any files associated with an assignment will show up here. You have a comment bank, and then right in the middle of that, if there is a rubric associated, you can click on grading. I could just type in a score here, but as I start selecting either by clicking the level that I believe exists for the student's writing, it will change it there for me. I can also put in a number. If I don't recall exactly what the description was, I can hit the drop down here, and that will provide me again a clickable version of what those descriptions of the standard may be. I can also clear what I've also put in there if I didn't mean to actually put in a score. Additionally, private comments can be added here. So what that looks like from the student side then, when they open up their assignment, they will see the rubric displayed right here. So each of the different levels that you would had, so if it was 3 levels or 5 levels, it would be stretched across here, as well as each of the different categories that you may have been scoring your students on. They also have the option to display the descriptions so they can see what each of those things, those numbers actually mean, giving them something to go off of in order for them to make improvements on the writing. And that is the rubric. It's a beta feature. If you don't see it, you might not be a beta teacher.